Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to show you how to clean or descale your Cuisinart single serve coffee maker. This is model number SS-5. So if you turn your coffee maker on and then these lights, see how these are going in a sequence? They're going bang, bang, bang. That sequence is telling you that it's time to descale. So if your coffee's not tasting as good, if it's not as hot as it used to be, or if it's taken a long time to brew, those are all signs that it's time to descale also. So this machine has a special descale mode that we're going to put it into. So you should descale your coffee maker. If you use this coffee maker every day, you should descale it about every 4 to 5 months. If your water's really hard, I might do it about every 2 to 3 months. First thing you're going to do is make sure you take your carbon water filter out. It's a good time to change that carbon water filter, but let's take this whole assembly out and leave it out. Then you're going to take your water in your water tank. You're going to empty this water out. We're going to start with an empty tank first. So today I'm going to be using distilled white vinegar. You can use just regular white vinegar. You're going to start off with 13 ounces. I've got just a little bit more, but 13 ounces, which is equivalent to just almost 2 cups. This is the pure vinegar. You're going to pour it into your water reservoir. And now just fill it the rest of the way with fresh water, tap water, all the way to the max line. That's going to give you the proper ratio. Okay, I got my water filter out, my vinegar and my water filled in the water reservoir. Now I'm ready to descale. And also before we begin, open this up. Make sure there's not a K-cup in here. So take a K-cup out. This has to be empty, but you do need the basket installed. So you're going to need something that holds at least 16 ounces. 16 ounces is about 2 cups, so it does need to be kind of big. It's going to run that water and vinegar through the machine, and it's going to be really hot. Okay, so now we're ready to put it into descale mode. We're going to hold the power button and the 6-ounce button at the same time until it goes into descale mode. Okay, the other lights went off. These two are flashing. Now the machine is in descale mode, and now it's going to start running it through. So again, this is going to run 16 ounces through, and then it's going to stop. But you're going to do that again. Press and hold those buttons again. We're going to do that until the add water light comes on. Then we're going to remove the rest of the water and vinegar out of the tank, and we're going to do our freshwater rinses the exact same way we did these. Because that vinegar, it's going to leave a smell and a taste in the machine. So when we run it through it, it's going to clean the heating element on the inside, but it's also going to kind of leave a taste in there. So we need to do freshwater rinses when we're done. Okay, so that didn't take very long at all, and it looks like it ran about 12 ounces through. So I'm going to go empty this, and we'll do it again. Okay, again, hold the 6-ounce and the power button. They don't take very long. They're flashing. Now it's running the water and vinegar through. Okay, so that took 5 times of pressing those 2 buttons. My add water light finally came on. Now I do have a little bit of water and vinegar left in here. I'm going to dump that out, rinse this out with soap and water, and then fill this up with fresh water for our freshwater rinses. Okay, so that took about 20 minutes again. I've got fresh water in the back now. We're done with the vinegar. You're still going to need this container, and we're going to repeat that process. Well, it's okay if you hit the 6-ounce. It's just going to run fresh water through the machine now. But I should have hit the power and the 6-ounce together. Okay, so let's try that again. Hit these at the same time. It's a little tricky, and then they'll flash. So you're going to do that until the add water light comes on. Then you should have rinsed out the vinegar. If you need to do a few more, you can do a few more, but you'll have to add some more water. And that should get rid of all of the vinegar taste. Okay, so when you're all done with this procedure, you'll notice that now when you turn the power light on, all the lights just come on. Remember how they were going in a sequence? That was to tell you that it was time to descale. Now that we've ran the descaling mode, it's clean. It's not going to tell you that it's time to descale. Now when you turn the power on, the lights just come on like normal. So give yourself about 45 minutes start to finish. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.